Earth Day is every day. Restoring our planet requires all of us to work together and be resourceful. My name is Gabe Horta. I'm partnering with Norwegian on the sustainable, eco-friendly cocktails. They're both delicious and great for the planet. It was a mutual inspiration between us and Norwegian. We went around the ship and looked at all the different kitchens and all the leftovers and realized ways that we can use this and upcycle it. One of my favorite cocktails on ship that we did with this program is the leftover skin from the pineapple, and we create this drink with the pineapple surplus. We're going to start with 1 ounce of the honey turmeric pineapple syrup. We're going to do the tequila, about 1.5 ounces. And then we're going to do 1/2 ounce of the CHINOLA passion fruit liqueur. We add the ice into a shaker. You're going to shake really well. And then you put it into your cocktail glass. Now for the fun stuff, we get to do the garnish. There you go, that's the magic. If everybody starts doing the same thing, we start to really see an impact, how it's going to make on the planet.